Zachary. All right, so Zachary is having a blast at this little birthday party. And there's Lucas about to play musical chairs.
We're gonna walk in a circle this way.
And there's Zachary in the middle of the game.